guys, today we're making Wine Expert's California Moscato.
We are using the Wine Expert California Moscato World Vineyard Ingredient Kit and the Vinter's Best 1 gallon winemaking equipment kit. Both kits are available at homebrewOhio.com. Links are in the description below. Sanitizing, bentonite, sulfite, Kiesel Sol, yeast, a reserve juice bag, and the instructions. Let's check out the equipment kit. The kit has a fermenter lid, tubing, a mini auto siphon, stopper, Econolock, a 10-inch test jar, triple scale hydrometer, stick-on thermometer, auto siphon valve, wine thief, dual end swizzle spoon, a 6-count of bar top caps, 1 gallon glass jug, 2 ounces of potassium metabisulfite, a recipe handbook, 4 ounces of easy clean no rinse cleaner, and a 2-gallon fermenter.
The first step is to clean and sanitize all of your equipment.
Fill the glass jug with 1 gallon of warm water and add 1 tablespoon of easy clean. Pour the cleaning solution into your bucket, also called a fermenter. Gently clean all of your equipment that will come into contact with your wine. Dump out the cleaning solution and fill the glass jug again. Add 2 ounces of potassium metabisulfite. Put the stopper in the top and shake so that the sanitizing solution reaches all areas of the inside of your jug. Take the stopper out and pour the sanitizing solution into your fermenter. Sanitize all equipment that will come into contact with your wine. Don't forget the fermenter lid.
Next, you'll pour 1 cup of hot water into the bottom of your fermenter. Mix in the bentonite. Stir thoroughly. It's okay if the bentonite doesn't fully dissolve. This is normal. Next, carefully pour the contents of the juice bag into your fermenter. If there are 2 bags, use the one that's larger. The second bag is a reserve bag that may be used later in the process.
Stir well. Now it's time to take a sample. Use the wine thief to put wine into the test jar.
Use a hydrometer to measure and record day 1 specific gravity.
Record the day 1 specific gravity in the proper spot on the instructions.
Sprinkle dry yeast on top of the juice base.
Cover your fermenter with the lid.
Fill your gourd stopper with airlock, halfway full of sulfite solution.
Place in the hole on top of your fermenter.
That's it for step 1. Now place your fermenter in an area where the temperature will be between 68 and 77 degrees for the next 14 days.
On day 14, resanitize all equipment that will come into contact with the wine. Carefully open your fermenter. Take a specific gravity reading and make sure it is within range of the instruction-specific gravity reading. For Moscato, what we are shooting for is less than 0.996. This is showing 0.994. Write down the reading in the proper spot on the instructions. If your specific gravity isn't in range, wait another 48 hours and repeat the process. Siphon from the fermenter into your 1 gallon jug. Keep the bottom of the auto siphon above the sediment in the bottom of the fermenter, but submerged enough to run continuously to fill the jug. Add the sulfite packet to the jug and stir. You will now degas the wine. Do this by putting a solid stopper in the top. With your thumb on top of the stopper, shake to build pressure, then release the pressure. This part can take a while, so keep repeating until pressure decreases. Add the Kiesel Sol. Top the jug with drilled stopper and insert airlock with the sulfite solution. Leave in a safe, dry space for 24 hours. After 24 hours, we'll add the reserve juice bag. We will also add the chitosan. This is the part of the process known as clearing. Leave the wine in a warm, safe spot according to the clearing chart provided in the instructions. For Moscato, it is 12 days of clearing. On the 5th day of clearing, give the jug a twist to let sediment on the sides fall to the bottom. When your clearing time is up, siphon the wine into your clean, sanitized fermenter. You can choose to bottle your wine or re-siphon it into your clean, sanitized 1-gallon jug. And with that, the Moscato is finished. Time to pour yourself a glass and enjoy. Get your wine ingredient and equipment kits today. Have questions? Leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.